Hello there guys, in this video we're going to be making some models for an FPS shooter game where we're going to just have to get to a certain point on the map while running away from zombies and shooting them, and once we get to that point we win the game. Okay, so let's get started. First off, we're going to the map's going to be, you can make the map however you want, but my map, it's going to have a tower in the middle surrounded by a few buildings, so a skyscraper in the middle surrounded by a few buildings, and then trees and countryside around that. Okay, so first of all we're going to make we can start off making the Unity project, so let's go new. You can call it whatever you want, or you can add it to a game you're on at the moment. FPS tutorial. Create 3D project. Let's go. And so first thing we're going to make is one of the houses, and it's just going to be a really simple thing. I'm going to try and as simple as possible. So let's go right into edit mode by pressing tab, then clicking down. Oh, sorry, our project is loaded. Down here, and this button, face select, selecting the top face and bring it down to there. Next off, we're going to want to bring this out by about minus. You can bring it out however you want, but I'm gonna go -5. While holding it, if you just press numbers, so I press -5 while holding the red thing, it will extrude itself. So let's also extend it on this side by let's do it by 10. There we go. You can do it more rough than that if you want to, but I'm just gonna do that. And then let's go, while staying in edit mode, let's create another cube. Let's go, it's right here already, so it's fine. It's shift and middle mouse roller press down to pan like I am right now, or middle mouse roller by itself to go around like this, and then middle mouse roller in and out to zoom. So we're going to want to go there, just roughly into there. Just so it's on the edge there. That looks about right. Yep, okay. And then let's go A to deselect everything, and then just make another cube. You can do this separately if you want to speed it up, but I'm just going to do it like this. Into the wall. Control Z if you make a mistake. Pull across to there. There we go. And then we can just go. I'm just going to get. Control Z if you make a mistake. I've forgotten how to copy it because I'd have to go back into the wrong object mode, and I think it would change the object, so let's just make another cube. Bring it across to here. Select this side. Bring it down to there. Select this side. Bring it across to here. Alright, that's not great. Press tab to go back into. No, we can't do that. Just go here so you can see the whole thing. Z to go into wireframe mode. Make sure you've just got this box, and then B to box select. Oh no, yeah. B to box select it. There we go. You have the whole thing, and let's just move it across. That looks fine to me. And then just out a bit, out of wireframe mode, move it down. Then on this side you can just put it across a bit. Then we can do the same thing over here. We can just go Z, B. Okay, that didn't work. A to deselect. Then we can go out of wireframe mode actually. Just shift select all of these. struggle to get under there, but you can just make it. You can't just zoom in. Shift select all of them, and let's go down a wee bit. Right, there we go. Now I've got it all selected, we can just go Control D, no, Control C, Control V, Control C, and then can't we just go, we cannot paste it, that's not very fun. Okay, let's just create a new cube and do it all over again. Over to here, down here, and then get this one, bring it across, there we go, bit more, there we go. Okay, now we just shift select all the tops. I have a feeling that's too high. Oh, that's fine. And then we just blue and bring them up to there. Maybe down a bit, wee bit. And then go down here. That one. Shift select, getting all this bottom bit. And then I can't do Command D, so we're just going to have to create another cube, and we're just going to have to put it out on that side, pull it out this side, pull it out on this side, pull it out, oh fuck, on this side. There we go, looks like a bomb bunker now. Maybe we can just go slightly up. I like the thick roof, but we can just go up to there, down a wee bit. There we go. Okay. There we go, now we have a simple model. And I think we're going to texture this in Unity. So, yeah. Let's hope that works how I want it to. Right, so let's go File, Save As, House. I've decided against the tower. We'll just do this for now. House blend, and then go to your files and get your house and copy it, and then you can just go to Documents and move your house into whatever you've called your project. So I called it for FPS tutorial, into the asset folder, and just move the house into there. So now when you go into Unity, it will load for a few seconds, and house, here we go. So if we just put the house into the thing, we will have a house already in Unity like that, but it's not got much colour on it, so let's just hang on, back to assets, let's just take the pull down and let us make a go to the asset store, and we can just get a texture from here. Wood texture. There we go, let's get this one. Wait for it to load, download it, and just wait for it to download. Once it's downloaded, import it, import this one. There we go, and now let us go back to our scene, go to dark wood, materials, and we get that, or we get... That doesn't seem to have gone too well, but at least it's brown now rather than anything else. So we'll stick with that. Next off, let's go. Let's create 3D object terrain. Now it's right clicking this to make it to look. Now we're gonna have, the game isn't gonna be that big, so let's just make 100 by 100 terrain. There we go. We're gonna have a lot of zombies, so it's fine. There we go. Move it to the middle. Move it up a bit. There's our cabin. And go so it's on the terrain. Let us just now let's get this one. Make your brush a bit bigger. And that's all we need to do is we need to go around the edge. And you need to, I think we need to increase the opacity slightly. Right. For some reason it's just making tiny mountains. Let's sort this out, guys. Because it's just being slightly stupid, it seems to me. But yeah. You guys are hopefully getting big mountains and they're not looking so stupid. But yeah, I'm getting small mountains, so that's not great. You can try out a different brush if you want to. Yeah, so hopefully you're getting big mountains. You can just decorate the scene a bit. Then another thing you can do is you can go, we can place some trees, so we can go to the assets, import package and environment. There we go. Wait for that to load. While that is loading, we can just decide. So what I'm going to do, you can choose what, but because there's lots in the environment package, but you can put on. You can put on. There's lots of trees in this. There's also lots of grasses and stuff. So there's lots of stuff you can have. Very big download this. Almost there. Importing small assets. Shouldn't take that long. And done. There we go. Okay, so now if we go to assets, we're going to go to standard assets. We're going to go to environment. There's loads of stuff here. So if we go to the terrain and we go to edit tree, add tree, we should find environment. Let's have some palm trees. Okay, hang on. Wait, stick with me, guys. So the palm, can I just go like that? Right, add that. Go back to the scene. That's right. And then we can just go, oh shit, that's quite big. So you want to always make sure your tree density is quite small. So you want to have let's have our tree density about that. And let's have our brush size at about that. Okay, we're only getting one tree each time, that's okay. Places lots of trees all the way around the map. This is how you do trees. Leave a bit of a space in the centre. Sorry that the mountain thing didn't work, but hopefully it's working for you, because if you do that and then you just press shift, that should work for you. and then now let's edit trees, add another tree, and go back to standard assets, environment, speed tree, and let's get a broadleaf and put that one in again. Add back to the terrain. Yeah, make sure we've selected the broadleaf, and you'll get a big tree this time. Don't know exactly if the sizes are correct, but you know, we'll just stick with it. Okay, and another thing we can go is we can edit textures, add texture, select two-leaf texture, and look up grass. There we go. Click grass, add, and then your whole thing is full of grass. That is good. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. If we just look around our terrain, it's nice and looking nice. You can add the other tree if you want to, if we just do that now. Or you can also add details, which like rocks. So we have no rocks here, but usually you could get like rocks or something of that type. So let's try to add some grass, if they have any grass in the add a grass. Let's try this one. No, I just added another tree. Use that one. I'm just adding more trees. That is not good. And I have tree in my house. Well, we'll leave it at that, guys, and I will come back in the next video with the character and all that stuff. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.